This is the place where I was thinking we could put the mountain trail / obstacle course. Goes to the end of our property from right where I started down to those blackberries down there. It is approximately 150 feet wide through there, and I'll walk you along the length. It's approximately 500 feet long. I was figuring this oak tree right at the beginning, which is just in front of the gate that comes into this field, could be a staging area for horses, and they could stand in the shade while they were waiting. The manufactured home would naturally be moved. There's a little open space right here, and then we get into some oak trees. Through here. Walking along, it stays about the same width. It stays almost exact same width the whole time, and the length's about 500 feet. All these oak trees have been here for a long time. There's one fir tree kind of sticking out the side of the oak trees, and then we have another open area right here. And it goes down to these blackberries right there. Our fence, our property line is about maybe 10 feet inside those blackberries. I think there's a fence there, but I'm not even really sure. Then we go have some more fir trees and a couple more oak trees. And we have the end here. And this goes down farther, and this area right here could be used for parking if we had to, if it was a big meet or something. Or I could just leave it like it is and the horses were in there. And then it goes down here, and you'll see all this white stuff right there. That's vinyl fencing. There's enough to fence in this whole field with vinyl fencing, which would look pretty nice. And then we'll go around. This is what it looks like from this side. But this area is close to the main barns. It's easy to get to, and it has trees for shade and for naturalness. I think it might work okay.